Market update on the 6th. So zooming out here, go over this one more time if you haven't watched the video before. We're either at 1, 2, 3 or A, B, C down here at the bottom from September 1st. And from there, we got this move higher that looks like an A wave to me. And then we got a move lower that broke the low of 390.19 from the first. That was today. So that candle went from 394 all the way down to 388.44. Broke the low, but if we zoom in here on the 15-minute time frame, it's pretty clear that this is actually an ABC pattern. So we have ABC, A, B, C. Expanded flat can normally go about 1.23 past the A wave, and this one doesn't even come close. Goes about 1.1 maybe, 1.15. So I consider that a B wave. So we have ABC for a B wave, and then we got the move higher for an overall first wave. And then from there on out, we came down here and then we chopped into the end of the day. Currently, I think we are sitting at AB1. This looks like a wave, and then where I think we're at now is ABCA, ABCB, and I would be looking for a move higher, maybe to the top of this range again, so maybe 393.50 to complete the overall B wave. So we'd have ABC for the B wave, and then we would get one more move lower to complete the flat for the overall second wave. We're trying to complete a 5-wave move up here. The next target would be 397.50 for the overall third wave. So we'd be looking for that maybe sometime tomorrow, maybe into Powell's speech. So that'd be a third wave. We get a fourth wave pullback. And then I'm looking for, based off today's movement, I'm looking for a fifth wave and an overall fourth wave up here at 400. So it could be a overall B wave too, A, B, C for a B wave, which I have up here. But I think it's more likely we're looking for a fourth wave. Either way, all you need to know is we are on a C wave, well, completing a B wave, C wave, and then we'd be starting the third wave of the overall C wave. But this whole thing, after the low today, is an overall C wave. So as long as we hold 388.45, I would be looking for 400 for the overall C wave. All right, moving on to the VIX. On the VIX, we got the move higher today, hit the top of this. It looks like a classic B wave. If we use our parallel lines, you can see pretty clearly that we don't break outside of them. It's definitely a B wave. And so I'm looking for a C wave back down to complete the flat. Back down here at 23.50. That should give us enough ammo for SPY to go all the way to 400, in my opinion. Last thing to look at, two more things to look at. The dollar, it went higher than what I said for the expanded flat, but I'm still expecting it to come down sometime soon. It doesn't have to though. You keep on going higher. If we zoom out here on the weekly time frame, you can just look at the chart. We've been looking for a third wave to end for a long time. Just up, barely pulls back, up, barely pulls back, and goes higher every time. So it's kind of hard to say right now, but I'm still looking for that pullback to complete the overall fourth wave on the monthly chart. So 1, 2, 3, looking for that red candle here. Last thing is the 10-year yield. We're looking for the B wave to end here and then a move back down to 2%. It's kind of in line with the dollar though. We're just kind of waiting for that pullback. If it keeps on going higher, I would expect the dollar to go along with it. If one of them pulls back, then they should follow each other pretty much. So if we get the yields back down to 2%, then we should see the dollar come back down here to 103 or 104. All right, so pretty much we're starting the C wave here soon. Make sure it holds 388.44 and look for an overall C wave to 400 probably in the next couple of days, maybe by the end of the week. I think that's the most likely scenario. If we break this, we'll have to redo everything, but I think it's a pretty good chance that we hold that and move towards 400. So that's it for the market update today. I traded till about 1 today and I quit at a good time, obviously, because we chopped for a while. But if we get a good move tomorrow or the next day, you should be able to make some pretty good money on the upside. So keep an eye out for that. Please like and subscribe, and I will put out another update tomorrow.